Hi there, my name is Zach Racklin, and for my Stackathon project, I worked on a project called Spotifire. So this is a React Native app that uses Spotify's API to do some cool stuff. So when you first open the app, it prompts you to log in if you haven't logged in before. So that's Expo's OAuth. So I'm already logged into Facebook. So now we're ready to build a playlist. And first, I'm just going to explain a little bit. So when you open Spotify and you look at a track or an artist, you can click on that track or artist and press play radio of this track or artist, and it'll create a playlist for you. So that track or artist I'm going to be calling a seed. So normally the way Spotify lets you do it is with one seed, but their API actually lets you use 5. And if you loop through API calls, you can do as many as you want. So we can create infinite seeds for our playlist. So if anybody has a suggestion for an artist or a track, let's what? I couldn't hear you. Nickelback. Oh, yeah, let's do Nickelback. Okay, great. All right. Oh, gotta spell it right. Okay, so here's Nickelback. And how about a track? Never Gonna Give You Up. Okay. All right, yeah, let's rickroll ourselves. Okay, so these are our seeds. You can add as many as you want, delete them by tapping, and duplicates are not allowed. So then we also have filters. So we saw before Spotify has all these different attributes that they give every track. And you can create a playlist and set certain filters. So we can raise the minimum acousticness or set a maximum acousticness. We can set some danceability. If we want to have more likely to have live tracks, we can raise our liveness level. The key is pretty cool. We can set a key range that we'd like. And yeah, so once we're ready, we can generate recommendations. So now this is going to make a call, and Spotify is going to generate some recommendations for our tracks. We can check them out, see if we like them. If we don't, we can change the filters. If maybe we don't want as many live tracks, we can generate a whole new set of recommendations. And once we're happy with it, we can name the playlist. So let's call this, I don't know, Nickels. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to be building the playlist and just waiting for that to happen. It doesn't actually take that long, but just to give Spotify a chance to populate it in our playlist. So now here's a list of all of my playlists, all the ones that I've followed in the past, not just ones I've created in this app. So you can view the tracks of any playlist if you want. You can also open the playlist that we just created in Spotify. So it should just bring us to our Nickels playlist if we want. So now if we go back to the app, the other thing that I thought would be awesome to have is if you could link your playlist to certain locations or activities. So say when I'm at Full Stack, I want to have a playlist start to play. So we can use Google Maps' API to add a location. We'll call it Full Stack. And now that we have a location, we can select any of our playlists to link it to. So now we have a list of our locations if we have multiple here, our playlist, and activities. Activities isn't actually implemented, but these are the goal is to use Spotify's or the React Native activity recognition to detect activities. So we can link the Nickels playlist to the location Full Stack. And actually, we just received a notification because we're at Full Stack right now. So we can play our playlist. And should maybe bring us to there. But that's Spotifire. Thanks.